Guys, the first thing you want to do is set your oven to 145 degrees Celsius. 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of almond meal, half a cup of coconut flour, and I've got 1 cup of all-purpose flour. A little bit of salt. I'm using the pink Himalayan salt. Doesn't really matter, that's all the salt I had. I'm using 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of mixed spice. Now let's go over our wet ingredients. Tablespoon of vanilla essence, 5 whole eggs, 1 full cup of vegetable oil, and I'm using 4 bananas. I've also lined my tin with paper. Just a little bit of paper on the bottom. I'm not going to worry about the sides because we can just run a knife down there. It's just generally where your cake will stick will be the bottom, so that's all I've done. I've just lined it. Okay, so we want to mash our bananas up. If you can use very ripe bananas, that's great, but doesn't really matter too much. So we've mashed all the bananas up. Now I'm going to add the wet ingredients. I'm going to mix up the egg slightly, and we're going to pour that into our bananas, followed by 1 cup of oil. I'm going to add the vanilla extract, vanilla essence. Give this a good mix, and now all we need to do is combine all our dry ingredients together in a bowl. Okay, let's get the dry ingredients in here. I've got my 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by my combination of almond meal and coconut flour, half a cup each. Let's just give that a good mix. White sugar, 1 cup. Brown sugar, 1 cup. One pinch of salt, our mixed spice, followed by our baking powder and baking soda, 1 teaspoon each. Gently fold our dry ingredients into the wet. I'm just going to dump it all in at one hit. Just want to mix it until all the dry ingredients are well combined. It smells absolutely beautiful. I think that's pretty much ready. I've scraped it through. I can't see any more flour. I reckon we're ready to go into our lined tin. Guys, this is deliciously moist. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on there. It's still warm. Delicious. A little bit of butter. You don't have to have butter. Some people like it. Let's have a bit of a taste. Texture is really, you can see it's still quite very moist by the moisture on my fingers there. And that's not coming from the butter, that's coming from the cake itself. I'm going to give it a try. Really full, strong banana flavour there. Thank you so much for watching my channel, guys. Have yourselves a safe week. I will see you on my next recipe. Thank you very much. Take care.